AI predicts 2026 crypto sector surge as DePIN, RWA, SocialFi steal spotlight. DePIN, RWA, social media. The future of crypto isn't just in the cloud. It's under your feet, in your home, and in your community. AI pinpoints the trends giving blockchain boots on the ground. Author, Julia Smith. Author, Julia Smith. About author. Julia is an experienced editor with a passion for covering a wide variety of beats. She loves all things politics and regularly covers regulatory updates on emerging technology here for Crypto News. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. June 20th, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. With crypto on the rise globally, it's hard to predict just what area of the blockchain sector will generate enough interest to become the next big thing. Using a ChatGPT analysis, we've broken down the most up-and-coming crypto trends you should know about before they likely dominate the industry in the years to come. Narrative waves have long dominated the crypto sector as a whole, think NFTs in 2021 or this year's memecoin boom. However, with blockchain attracting more and more attention, it seems as if it's only a matter of time before the next wave makes a splash on the Web3 scene. DePIN reimagines infrastructure as we know it. One such trend shaking things up is the emergence of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, primarily known as DePIN. DePIN refers to blockchain-based programs that allow users to contribute infrastructure at a local scale while rewarding participants for adding data and resources to the network itself. Traditional DePIN infrastructure includes storage, energy, bandwidth, computing, and more, making the sector attractive to governments looking to potentially improve their jurisdiction's infrastructure via a decentralized, people-first approach. Proponents of DePIN argue that it decentralizes and democratizes technological advancement, particularly when it comes to developing rural areas with innovative technology. DePIN leverages blockchain technology to decentralize the control and management of physical devices, addressing limitations of traditional infrastructure networks. A June 2024 study by Zin et al. States, coming off the heels of an unprecedented power outage that saw parts of Spain, France, and Portugal go dark, DePIN could offer a localized solution for reconfiguring power grids in a way that decreases the risk of a major blackout occurring. With a market value of $2.2 trillion and the potential to grow to $3.5 trillion by 2025, DePIN appears to be a hotbed for innovation. Cooperative digital storage network Filecoin, global map crowdsourcing platform HiveMapper, and graphics processing unit, GPU. Companies like Render Network have all created hype around the forthcoming sector, with plenty of startups following suit. And that's not all. A 2025 Messari report finds that the DePIN projects have attracted an estimated $1 billion in venture capital since 2023. DePIN went from being a non-consensus category to being widely recognized as one of, if not the single most important sector advancing the crypto economy today, the report reads. In summary, DePIN has the ingredients of a 2026 breakout: novel tech, real utility, strong early metrics, and synergy with other hot trends, making it a top sector to watch. Traditional finance meets Web3 with RWA tokenization. Another key crypto trend expected to surface next year is the rise of real-world asset, RWA, tokenization. RWA tokenization involves shifting traditional finance assets into blockchain-based signifiers, effectively giving each claim both physical and digital value. Key categories gaining traction include tokenized debt and securities, e.g., tokenized U.S. Treasury bills, corporate bonds, stocks, real estate tokens, fractional ownership of property or REITs on-chain, commodities, gold, oil, carbon credits tokenized for easier trading, invoices and trade finance, bringing receivables onto the blockchain for lending, and even intangibles like intellectual property, art, or royalties. According to a study from Fortune Business Insights, the global tokenization market is expected to hit $3.95 billion in 2025, up from $3.32 billion in 2024. The sector is also projected to hit $12.83 billion by the end of 2032, with a compound annual growth rate of 18.3%. Heavyweights in the traditional finance industry like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and JP Morgan Chase have already embraced bringing tokenization to their clients as the sector becomes increasingly popular. The continued experimentation with tokenized assets by global financial institutions such as banks, custodians, fund administrators, and asset managers points to a potential future where multiple participants can transact across multiple asset types in a seamless and automated way, enabling new approaches to portfolio construction, management, and distribution at scale. JP Morgan Chase said in a recent report, "We believe the concepts put forward in this initiative could revolutionize the wealth management industry, and we encourage ecosystem participants to join us in building towards this future," the organization added. Meanwhile, tokenization is already making a dramatic impact on the world of alternative assets. For example, just last month, the Dubai Land Department, DLD, unveiled its landmark government-backed tokenized real estate platform. The first-of-its-kind initiative plans to tokenize $16 billion worth of real estate by 2033, marking a major step in mainstream tokenized RWA adoption globally. Through the platform, investors can access comprehensive property details, ranging from pricing, risk factors, and technical specifications to the minimum investment required, ensuring full transparency and informed decision-making, DLD said in a May press release. Currently available exclusively to UAE ID holders, the platform is set to expand globally in the near future, with additional platforms to be integrated in later phases, further reinforcing Dubai's position as a global hub for innovation in tokenized real estate, the government organization added. SocialFi marries Web3 with social media. Last but not least, blockchain-based social media platforms, collectively referred to as SocialFi, are set to amass strong attention in the years ahead. SocialFi platforms largely focus on blending the decentralized nature of DeFi with the digital connectivity of traditional social media applications, generating a whole new user experience. Key features of these novel applications include censorship resistance, creator control, and direct-to-influencer monetization in a bid to remove traditional top-down social media organizational structures. According to a March 2025 report from Market US, the global decentralized social network market size is expected to be worth around $61.8 billion by 2034, up from just $9.4 billion in 2024. Demand for decentralized social networks is predominantly driven by tech-savvy users and advocates of digital privacy, who are disillusioned with the data handling practices of conventional social media corporations. The report reads in part, certain platforms have offered users the opportunity to trade cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and tokens with friends as a means of creating a digital space for social financialization. This economic incentive is a significant draw for content creators, influencers, and everyday users who seek to gain tangible rewards for their online engagement and community engagement efforts. The report continues. SocialFi platforms like Farcaster, Lens Protocol, Open Campus, and Friend.tech are just some of the names shaking up the emerging DeFi social media sector. All in all, ChatGPT's forward-looking analysis suggests that by 2026, one or more decentralized social networks could achieve a mainstream breakthrough, turning SocialFi into a leading crypto narrative. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, identifying the major narrative waves that still lie ahead remains no small feat, from the emergence of DePIN to the development of SocialFi. Emerging trends in the crypto sector offer new approaches to long-standing issues along the lines of tech, governance, and social connectivity. These trends aren't just for insiders, they're shaping how we live, invest, and interact online. AI's early analysis reveals that by 2026, these sectors could be leading the charge in the next crypto boom. Whether you're an enthusiast, investor, or simply curious, now's the time to learn, explore, and get ahead of the curve. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics, Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu, and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, and Solana by the end of 2025. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Canada approves first spot XRP ETF, $1,000 XRP coming? 3 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Altcoin News. Analyst says Ripple IPO could trigger insane valuation. What it means for XRP price. 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin News. Archetype market shut down in Europol raid, but TRM Labs questions long-term impact. 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.